Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's Anton here with Let's Talk About Life with Anton. So, if you've been following my journey on YouTube, you will know that I post various videos about life in general, about raising kids, about marriage, depression, losing my job, and loads of other different subjects that I feel as if I've been through and can teach you or give you some life lessons and don't make some of the mistakes that I made. But on top of the videos that I make about that, I also am recording my journey because I love to look back at what happened in the first 1 or 2 or 3 weeks of creating this YouTube channel. And it's fascinating to see the emotions, the highs and the lows that you go through when you're trying to get monetized and trying to gain subscribers and increase your watch time hours and everything. It's just incredible. And you learn so much as you just go along, because I really didn't know what I was doing at the beginning, and I still have no idea what I'm doing. But yeah, I just keep going and learn on the job, so to speak. So one of the last videos that I posted, it was actually a bit of a help me video, because I was really struggling in the first 3 or 4 weeks. I'd recorded quite a lot of content and I uploaded it all very, very quickly. I think I had about 22 or 23 videos uploaded in a very short space of time in the first couple of weeks. Now, obviously that was never going to be sustainable. I couldn't keep that up. But I thought if I can get, you know, nice little chunk of videos out to start with, I'll be able to get a bit of traction and get more subscribers, and it would be really easy because I can get 1,000 subscribers really quickly, get monetized, and yeah, it would be amazing. Yeah, that didn't happen. So in the end, I put a video out because I was getting a bit desperate. I sort of been watching loads and loads of different YouTube videos. Some people were putting videos out in the early stages and getting like 100,000, 200,000. I mean, one particular person got like 4 million views off a video that they'd put out, and it was only like their 10th or 15th video. I'm like, how on earth are people getting all these views? I just didn't get it. Anyway, I put this video out and then did what everyone warned me not to do, and stop posting, stop making videos, stop recording. Cardinal sin, absolute disaster. And yeah, there's reasons for that, and I'll quickly explain those when we hop over to my screen, and I'm going to show you all the back end and all the numbers, because that's what you're here for. So I'm not going to talk too much now, but yeah, it was a weird one. So I stopped posting for like 2 months, and then something quite incredible happened for me anyway, you know, for my little bar of enjoyment and satisfaction. I started to get somewhere. So I won't spoil it too much. Let's go over to my screen and we'll have a look at the numbers. Come on, let's go. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my screen, and you will be able to see straight away the obvious pattern. I still cannot explain it. I have no idea, but I'll sort of talk you through my thoughts and feelings of the journey so far with YouTube. And if you've watched any of my previous videos with regards my journey to monetization from week 1, week 2, week 3, etc., then yeah, go back and have a look at those and then come back to this one. But I basically did a video about asking for help because I'd sort of gained about 6 subscribers in my first 3 or 4 weeks. I'd posted 23 videos. I had something like 10 hours watch time, and I was really struggling. I'll be honest with you, I was really struggling. I didn't quite understand how it worked. I didn't know what else to do, or, you know, stuff like that. So, but anyway, as you can see on the screen, this here is where I posted my last 2 videos, and this was round about, I think it's about the 10th of July or something like that. And then I did nothing, which is the cardinal sin, and everyone says whatever you do, you've got to be consistent. Keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. And I watched countless hours of YouTube videos and took it all in, and obviously learned absolutely nothing because I stopped posting. Now, there is a few reasons for that. I became extremely busy. If you've watched a video, in fact, it's quite obvious that the video that's exploded, or well, my explosion, is this one down here. This, I lost my job at 51, and again, feel free to go and watch that one if you want. But this is the one that, as in my little YouTube channel, has taken off. You know, the nearest one to that was something like 43 views. This one suddenly went to 1176 views. But anyway, the reason why I stopped posting was because I got this new job, and yeah, it was quite demanding during those periods. I just genuinely didn't have enough time to post and, you know, record, edit videos and all that sort of stuff. So I stopped for a little bit. I wasn't worried. I knew I would pick it back up again, but because I loved having this channel, and I love making videos and helping people. But anyway, as you can see, 2 videos there, and then it just bumped along all of August, all of September, and then this happened. Round about, I think it was the 22nd or 23rd of September, so what, just over a week or so ago, I was away for 3 or 4 days. I had to go to Paris in France for work, and I went away and I checked my channel on my iPhone, and boom, suddenly started getting traction from this one video. I lost my job at 51, and it just continued and continued and continued. And as you can see, the last 48 hours is 360 views. I gained pretty much about 60 new subscribers in a 1 week period, and for me that was massive, absolutely massive. And I can't thank each and every one of you for subscribing, because it just means so much to me. Really appreciate it. Yeah, and my whole channel got sort of 1,370 views in the last 90 days, but recently, you know, it sort of got over 1,000 views in you know, in a very, very short space of time. So that's really exciting. I don't know how it works. I just don't get it, because that video was posted, you know, it wasn't even posted here. It was posted like a week before that. So, you know, just does nothing for like 2 months, and then suddenly gets a bit of traction, gets pushed out there. Some algorithm somewhere is helping my little video. And yeah, started getting a few comments, a few likes, a few subscribes, and it went from there, really. I then followed it up with a video that I posted yesterday, which was actually a follow-up video of the job loss at 51, because that all happened to me a while back, as in, well, it was actually last year that happened. And I went through a journey which wasn't pleasant for first few weeks, and yeah, in the early stages. And I have done a follow-up video to explain where I am now and how much happier I am, and you know, how it worked out unbelievably well for me. So yeah, that's what I've done. I'm posting this video now because I want to give you guys an update on the channel and where I am. And yeah, I'm going to be sort of regularly posting again from now on, because I just love this. I absolutely love it. So yeah, there you go. There's the screen. And yeah, let's hop back to me for a few minutes, and then I'll finish this off. So thanks very much. So there you go. That is what happened. I mean, absolutely incredible for me. As you can tell, my face and voice and, expressions I'm absolutely made up. And this is what doing YouTube was all about for me. It was about the excitement, about the buzz, about creating something new from scratch and helping you. You know, that's what it is for me. It's helping you. If I can help in any way I can with anything you're struggling with or any subject that you need to know more about, then that's what I'm here for. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I don't want to ramble on too much. You came to see the stats, you've seen the screen, you've seen the little takeoff of that one video. I've then made a follow-up video. This is being posted just to give you a bit of an idea on my journey, and then we're going to go for it again, and there's going to be more videos. So again, can't thank you enough. If you did subscribe, thank you so much. If you commented, no matter what the comment was, thank you, because I did have a couple of negative comments, but you know what, that's just part and parcel of the journey, and I accept that. And yeah, and I thank you for doing that, taking the time to actually comment, whether it was a nice comment or not so nice comment. Thank you. And yeah, let's go, let's keep going, and I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye.